easily and cheaply track your profits and margins as an Amazon seller. So I'm going to talk to you about Sellerboard in this video, which I've been using for quite a few years now. Actually, I used it when it first came out, then I stopped using it, then I came back to it because it's just it's the goat of the industry, in my opinion, for a reliable, affordable software. Okay, reliable and affordable, someone that's a software that's always increasing their capabilities and expanding their software to make it better and better. So, how much does it cost? Well, I want to go into that before we go any further, because a lot of people are like, yeah, you show me, a lot of people show a lot of stuff, but they don't actually show the price, and then it ends up being way too not affordable. Anyway, so you can get standard plan here for $15 a month, guys. That's if you pay annually. Pay half yearly, $17. Pay monthly, $19 a month, which is actually really, really affordable. $179 billed annually, or $15 a month. And I've actually got a free 2-month trial below as well, just to put it out there. So it's 2 months free, and then you can only pay $19 a month. So after 6 months, you've paid not a lot of money at all for a bit of an epic software. So I want to just explain quickly what that is, because most beginners are definitely not going to be needing the professional package there. So the standard absolutely does everything you need to do there with the inventory management and everything. So let's go into a quick demo as well, by the way. Here I'm going to click on a demo there, just so that you can get a good idea of what this tool does. Yeah, and now you know the price, and let me just tell you what you're going to get for that. So if you click into this, and you can go onto Sellerboard, click my link below, click the demo as well if you want, and then see this all for yourself. Have a little fiddle around, by the way, guys. But yeah, so you've got the discs up here. You got today, yesterday, month to date, this month forecast, last month, and then it also not only breaks that down down here, as you can see, with the exact units from today or yesterday or the month to date, which is really handy. I check this every single day in my business, guys, by the way. You can also click on the individual items here, click on more info there, and then it will actually break this all down for you, the refunds, the Amazon fees, and click every single thing, and it will just break every single little cost down for you there. You can also do that on the tabs up here, so you can click the cost of goods, you've got the Amazon fees, and it will break it all down for you. So if one day you come in here and it says minus $500, let's hope that it doesn't, or £500, then you can click more and find out exactly what the issue was. So yeah, advertising costs there as well, estimated payout, gives you literally everything you need, the net profit, the gross profit. Yeah, so it's all there, guys. It's all there. You can also do this in chart form or P&L or trends, whatever sort of form you like the most. Yeah, so that's all that there. Got PPC, which I'm not going to run to in this video because it's a little bit of a minefield. It's not really what most people use when they're just setting up. But let's click on products there. So what you would do, or get your virtual assistant to do it like I do, or if you want to do it, is actually set up your cost of goods for every item that you buy. And then you can also do the is it FBM shipping cost, and then it will tell you the profit per unit. You need to type in your VAT tax code there, and then what it will actually do after that is work it all out by periods. You can type in if it's constant or if it's by period. So if the price changes from your wholesaler or your arbitrage sort of contact, whatever retail store or online store you get it from, if it changes, then you can actually type in by period and get that updated. That's what my business manager does for me, my admin VA. You can also type in expenses there, and these are actually going to come off your monthly fees as well. That will come off the on the dashboard there, these tabs. As you can see, last month net profit was $557 from this seller here, this demo account, and the gross profit was that. That's actually because after all these costs here on the more section, the VAT, the cost of goods, the refunds, the shipping cost, all this has been taken off. It will also take off your expenses there according to the date that you've put in. And then you'll be able to see that. So I hope that makes sense. Handy little feature to have. We're not going to go into the LTV today. Once again, I'm just going to go into what you would do if you were just getting this now. Got cash flow. Once again, we won't go into that. You can click on any of these reports, by the way, as well. Dashboard by day or anything like that. Let's click on reports again, by month, by product, by orders, so that you can really dig deep into products. Download it as an Excel or a CSV, stock history report. Repeat customers by brand. Really, really good information there for people that like to go that little bit further, with the detail. You can click from inventory down here for the inventory planner as well. We can do planning. We can do purchase orders from here, which is pretty cool. We can do FBA shipments. You can actually track the progress of your shipments. My admin VA loves this tab here. We can actually purchase orders from here as well. We can actually do the purchase orders, so we can keep track of all the orders. We can add a new product each time you make a new order, track the status, manufacturing, transportation costs, etc., etc. And then we can see if it's closed or shipped or not, etc. So that's a really cool tab, which I haven't actually explored yet, I'll be honest. We've got new suppliers tab down here, which is pretty cool. So this is in beta still at the moment. On this page, you can add, edit, and delete the suppliers. Oh, let's get rid of that. You get a 2-month free trial below. We don't need 1 month on my link. Edit and delete your suppliers, store all necessary information about them. So this is for all of your suppliers here, which is pretty cool actually, because at the moment mine are all on my, this is the first time I've seen this actually because it's in beta. Mine are all on my spreadsheets at the moment, so this is really good to see the supplier thing here. And one of the most important things down here for you guys to use is actually the money back tab down here. So the money back is actually the lost and damaged, the returns, and the FBA fee changes. So my admin VA actually clicks on this every week for my USA business and my UK Amazon business. I've got 2 accounts. We sell hundreds of thousands a year, okay, and we have a lot of reimbursements owed to us for lost and damaged, for returns from customers that, you know, shouldn't have been reimbursed to the customer without you know, us getting our money back too, and then the FBA fee changes. So my admin VA goes through all of this, downloads the reports into an Excel or CSV. Oh, let's get back onto that. And then contact seller support. There's all the details on how to do this here. And then we just make sure that we're working our way down to all of these reimbursements every single month. So we're just, you know, getting that number down and down and down, as in getting all that money back into our pockets. And the same with the returns, and the same with the FBA fee changes. That's what you should be doing. It will tell you how much you're owed there in lost and damage and returns. Guys, this software pays for itself over and over and over again, multiple times a month. If you're a decent size seller, an average size seller, and you're utilizing this feature here to get back returns and refunds and reimbursements owed to you, it's absolutely essential. Without this, I mean, we get hundreds of pounds a month back from this, guys, just from doing this. So yeah, it's an absolute no-brainer in my opinion. So yeah, if you want 2 months free trial for that, go get your refunds from it and stuff like that, reimbursements. That's the Sellerboard tutorial 2023, and I will see you in the next video.